luck, this was a box that I got from the States. It was just an Apple TV that I picked up. And this guy has trouble connecting to the network. So we're going to double check just to see how well. There it is right there. As you can see, it's a 3rd generation Apple TV. It is cold right now, but that is okay. Alrighty, we got some bags. So I put my original Apple TV there, and I plugged the new one I just got into power and HDMI. Where's my remote? Okay, let's see the remote. Let's power on the TV. And let's see what happens. Alright, so this is the screen that we are at. And it seems to be working. Let me just turn up the volume here. There is the Apple TV. We're just going to plug that guy in. Are you in frame? Yeah, you're in frame. You know, whatever. To the Apple TV. And we will do a full unit restore here. So here we have a light. There it is. The light's blinking. Restore Apple TV. If you're experiencing problems with your Apple TV, you can restore its original settings by clicking Restore. There it is. Restore and update. Oh, there we go. Yes, agree. Alrighty. So we shall wait to see if the restore works. Now that the software is downloaded, iTunes is now extracting the software, and hopefully this Apple TV works. The seller had mentioned that it had problems connecting to the internet. I haven't tried plugging into an Ethernet cable yet, but I'm just going to do this restore here to see if that would actually fix the issue. So it says, your Apple TV has been restored to factory settings. Please disconnect your Apple TV from your computer and reconnect to your TV. Okie dokie. We'll plug this back into the TV.
Press the small button located on the lower right of your remote 3 times.